Today, July 15 on Saturday, breaking news, Tesla announced that it built the first official Cybertruck and shared the image with Cybertruck team who built the Cybertruck. Congratulations everyone. I have very important announcement here, and please watch until the end of this segment to see the video of Joe Techmeyer, who has been chronicling Giga Texas from day one, congratulating to Tesla from Giga Texas area. Welcome back everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Tesla today announced that it has built the first Cybertruck at Gigafactory, Texas. Is the electric pickup truck ahead of the schedule? I think yes, it is. Like I have reported previously that I think Tesla will be ahead of its schedule, not in the third quarter and like in the September that they were waiting. But now, because the things that we were seeing coming from Gigafactory Texas, the images, the die casting that we're seeing, it indicated to me personally at this channel, Torque News, that Tesla will be ahead of the schedule. Anyway, Tesla's latest official comment on the timeline for the Cybertruck was that production would start this summer, and it is planning a delivery event around the end of quarter 3, which would mean around the end of September 2023. Although Tesla has started the Cybertruck now in mid-July, I think the end of September is a little bit late. I would expect early September. Remember these words, friend. It may be possibly to do it early September. We have recently reported that Tesla told suppliers to be ready for Cybertruck release candidate in late August and production in early October. Now Tesla has announced on Twitter that the first Cybertruck has been built at Gigafactory, Texas, and Elon Musk himself has shared that image. That's likely a production intent unit built on the production line, and it would put Tesla ahead of the schedule given the suppliers earlier this year. Does this mean deliveries are going to start sooner than anticipated? Does it mean that we will finally get the final specs and pricing on the Cybertrucks very soon? Yes, I expect by mid-August we will know the final specs, if not earlier. Who knows, maybe next week Tesla will announce the pricing and the final specs of the Cybertruck, because if they have built it, they know how much it costs and they can set the pricing. So congratulations are in order to the entire Tesla and Cybertruck team for getting this going. No doubt it has been a long and arduous journey, and there is a long way to still to go. So I wouldn't bet on the early too much. Well, while it does appear that Tesla might be a bit ahead of the schedule with the official timeline of the delivery event being in late September, Tesla is likely, keep in mind, better off fine-tuning the production and supply chain to set itself off for a smoother ramp. So we don't know whether this is the test Cybertruck or this is for sale Cybertruck, because if you remember when Tesla was building the Model Y at Gigafactory Berlin, they I think built up to 600 test Model Ys, and they were not up for sale. You couldn't sell them. Tesla, I think, was going to retrofit them or something like that. Anyway, either way, it should still be able to deliver all that is deliverable by the end of the quarter at the previously mentioned delivery event. So how many Tesla Cybertrucks do you think Tesla will deliver by the end of this quarter and by the end of the year? Please let me know in the comment section below. As for the specs and pricing of Tesla Cybertruck, Tesla hasn't updated those since the launch of the prototype in 2019. Elon Musk has linked an update on that only at the delivery event, which means deliveries will likely be only for employees and Tesla insiders. It looks like we should have an interesting end of the quarter in the Tesla universe. So let's move on now to Joe Techmeyer, who has a very interesting congratulations to Tesla Cybertruck from Gigafactory, Texas.
Well, good morning. It's Saturday. It's the 15th of July, and I'm out here at Giga Texas partly because I want to say congratulations to the Giga Texas team for making the first Cybertruck. And as you can see by this image, Tesla just announced this major milestone earlier this morning. And it is just amazing to see that this is happening almost at the 3-year anniversary point of the start of construction here at Giga Texas. And it's been an amazing journey to watch and to see all of the progress, the changes, and just everything necessary to get to this point in the production of both the Model Ys, but also now the Cybertruck. It's really outstanding, and I just want to give my congratulations to the Giga Texas team It's just a tremendous amount of effort that you guys have done to try to manage both the construction and the production of the products, the Model Y and the Cybertruck at the same time, and a lot of it's still going on right now. I know it's just an amazing amount of work, and I think maybe sometimes goes unappreciated, but I just want to give my personal congratulations for a job well done. Now let's start seeing a lot more of those Cybertrucks exiting the factory in the near future. Take care and congratulations.
There are two new photos of Cybertruck's interior, and they have leaked, and they show the truck's rudimentary dash design. Take a look at that, friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Despite recent reports that production of the Tesla Cybertruck is nearing, along with a growing number of spy shots showing Cybertruck test modes, we still haven't had a really good look at the interior of Tesla's first cargo bed toting Cybertruck. Now, nearly 4 years after CEO Elon Musk first announced the Cybertruck in 2019, we're getting our first real look at the interior of the Cybertruck. One of the test modes was photographed at a recent Tesla shareholder meeting held in Texas, and the leaked image appeared on the Cybertruck Owners Club forum, which is ironic because, well, there aren't any Cybertruck owners yet, but these are probably the future owners who have put the $100 deposit to be in the line for future Cybertruck delivery. The first photo was taken from the driver's point of view and shows a few key details. Immediately obvious is the nearly octagonal steering wheel that takes on a shape somewhere between a standard round wheel and Tesla's yoke-like tiller. No turn signal stalk is visible behind the wheel, with Teslas instead opting for capacitive buttons. Like on the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y, the Cybertruck doesn't have a traditional gauge cluster. This further throws the large, nondescript dashboard into sharp perspective. Given the unconventional shape of the Tesla Cybertruck, the lengthy flat dashboard isn't all that surprising, but it looks uninspired nonetheless. What do you think, friends? I think you would agree with that. Like all other Teslas, the vast majority of the truck's controls reside in the center touchscreen. The large horizontal display works with the steering wheel to break up an otherwise empty dash, which is devoid of any visible HVAC vents or charging outlets. The center console seems to also fit in with the general theme of Cybertruck. The sliding cover for the console looks to mimic the tonneau cover for the truck bed. Initially, there were claims that the center console would fold up the create of third jump seat, though it is tough to tell from the leaked images if that is still the case. So, friends, we will soon start seeing more of Tesla's highly anticipated and long overdue electric pickup truck. Who knows, but we'll keep an eye on for official details, as well as leaks, as well as prices, and I'll let you know once we get more images of the Cybertruck interior. So if you are here first time, please take a moment and subscribe to this channel, Torque News channel, for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think when you see these Cybertruck images?